Hey guys, it's Catfish, back with another video. And on today's video, I'm back at one of my favorite places, man. And I gotta show you a special car, man. Yeah, I'll show you where we at. We back at Currie Motors, man, in Valparaiso, Indiana. Y'all see what's pulling up over there, man. Yes, sir. But guys, I want to show you this right here. 2023 Ford Bronco Raptor. Yeah, 2023. Got them big tires on it, fender flares, vents. Yeah, guys, hope y'all like this one. 2023. Sticker price. Y'all see it, $85,000. Check the inside out. This thing is nice, boy. It is. Whole top comes off. Y'all see them things right there? Look at the big screen.
Whoa, this is pretty cool.
Bronco Raptor. Yes, sir. Y'all see it in the seats? Come on, man. This thing is nice.
I got one. I got a jacked up Hummer. Supercharged.
Back seats. Got the Bronco bucking Bronco right there. Red stitching in the seats. The thing is nice. The whole roof comes off, guys. The whole roof comes off. Come with the big tires. Spare. Yeah, this is where we at, man. We at Currie Motors. Got the big flares on it. Look at this, boy. This is nice. I like this. Yep. Got the running boards on it. Keyless entry. Yeah, so we're gonna get up. Look at that. Ford performance. We're gonna get up in this bad boy. Look at this. Look at that screen. Oh, look at that. Now that's cool. Now that's cool right there. Y'all see that? Yeah. We're gonna start this boy up too. Y'all see that? Yeah, guys. It's got a 3-liter EcoBoost in it. Y'all see it? It quiet down. The boy sound pretty good. Let me walk around to the back. That thing sound pretty nice back here. I should have got the cold start for you. Got the dual chips on the exhaust. It sound pretty good. Yes, sir. Got Bronco right there. Thing is pretty cool, man. I like it. Cut it off. And look, the lights come on. Ain't that something? Look at that. Now that's cool. Now that is cool. Now that's cool. I like that. Yeah, they say it moves a little bit. A 3-liter EcoBoost. So it's turbocharged. Yep, it's pretty nice. I like it, guys. I like it. Yep. 2023 Ford Bronco Raptor. Decent. I like it. If you need one, come on up to Currie Motors in Valpo and get it. Y'all see the sticker one more time. 85. Yes, sir. Let me pan back and let y'all get the full ambiance. There it is, guys. All right, I'll get back with you guys in a second. Hey, guys, we back in the showroom. Look at this. Look what we got here. The Mach-E X, man. This the top of the line Mach-E right here. I like this, guys. If I was gonna get electric vehicle, this is what I would get. This is exactly what I get this one. Look at the door handle. Look at that. You just hit it right there. That's how you open it. Y'all see the screen? Got two screens. Got a screen there and a big screen there. Look at this guy. Look at the whole roof is glass. Yes, sir. It's nice. And this is how you open the back door right there. Thing is nice, man. Like I said, if I was gonna get electric, I'd have to go with one of these. And it's only how much is it? It's only 72. There's it at right there. It's not bad. Pan back on that, y'all see it. Decent, I like it. But you know this is the Mustang headquarters around here. They got, how many of you guys have seen this moniker before? You ain't seen one of these in a minute. Mach 1. Y'all see it? Got another Mustang right here. This is an R right here. That one. You got another Roush right there. You got another Roush right here. Man, this is Roush headquarters. Y'all already know that. 5-0. Yes, sir. Y'all got in the showroom. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them. Come on, man. Got a bunch of them in here. But guys, I like that Mach-E though. If I was gonna get electric, that's what I'd get. That Mach 1 is nice too. We're gonna walk outside and let y'all see some of the other stuff they got since I was here last. I ain't been here in a minute. So, yeah. Let me see what we got here. Got another Bronco, Mustang 5.0 convertible, another Roush, another Mustang, another Roush, regular 5.0, another Roush, another 5.0, another 5.0, and then you got another Bronco. It's just regular though. It's kind of nice with the white rims. Like, that's kind of different. Then you got this Roush. Oh, wow. They make a Roush pickup truck, too. Are you kidding me? Nah, that I didn't know. Yeah. They make a Roush F-150. A Ranger. Excuse me. A Roush Ranger. Now, that's crazy. Now, that I didn't know till right now. Get a Ranger. Nice, nice. They got a lot of stuff, man. Pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. And yeah, this is just a Bronco Sport right here. Yep. It's decent. White rims. Regular inside. But yeah. Yeah, I got old girl right there. Posted up. Yep. I'm gonna walk over here. This the Roush F-150 right here. That was the Ranger one I just showed you. This is the Roush F-150 right here. Oh, this is the F-250. Excuse me. Woo, wow, that's crazy. How much is this bad boy? Oh, $87,000. Y'all see it right there, 87,000. Woo! It's pretty though. First I thought it was a dually, but it's not. It's got the Power Stroke diesel in it. Didn't know they made a Roush pickup truck. It's pretty nice, man. You find out something new every day. And they got another Bronco. This just a regular one, but it got flare fenders too. It's a Roush too. Y'all see it? Oh yeah. But this one don't have the big fender flares on it like the other one. It's got the other wheels on it. Got another one, outer brinks. This a Roush too. This one nice too, guys. See, you can tell it's a Roush because the R in Bronco is red. And see the difference? See this one? That one just got a regular white Bronco. This one got that red R in Bronco. So they're all the ones, they're Roushes. But these are the ones with the small flares. The one I showed you in the beginning of the video, that's the top of the line one. That's the one with the big flares on it. But yeah, guys, found out something new today. Never knew they made a F-250. Learn something new every day. Yep. Got a Bronco pulling in. Somebody taking a test drive. Well, yeah, this is where we at. We at Currie Motors in Valparaiso, Indiana. The number 3 Roush dealership in the whole country. And like I said, they got a lot of cars, man. All these Roushes. Mustangs. Mustang. Roush. Yeah. Yes, sir. He had to come back out here and see what was going on. Yeah. Yes, sir. And this a regular Bronco. You see it ain't got no flares or nothing on it. It's just regular, got the regular tires on it. Yep. It's just a regular one. Bronco's alright. I ain't a fan of them, but they alright. But that's just a regular one. Alright, guys. That's going to wrap this edition of Catfish Corner up from Currie Motors in Valparaiso, Indiana. And I'll get back with you guys on the next one. And just like that, this video is over. Peace.